doing. What? Wait. Wow.
Park ended up a little bit more post-apocalyptic than I planned. On second thought, I meant for it to look like that. Now it's a theme park. Problem solved. But whenever your parks aren't burning down, it's a good idea to make use of the new park maintenance city service building. It's not exactly required, but it's nice to have. A lot like the road maintenance building, will send out vehicles that go around and improve efficiency and attractiveness. And to drive to attractiveness and other things, you can refer to the park.
Whoa! Don't assume the person in front of the... Holy shit! Get out your phone!
Them on deferments and forbearances, so they were all quite in repayment. So by the following year, it was
that's kind of close.
$600.
Whoa, shit! He almost crashed. The white truck almost in that SUV. What the f? I almost got sideswiped. What the f? Whoa! No fucking way!
It's Carl. We had a few dates, everything was great, but...
Well, you know, when you switch to Geico, you could save a lot of money on car insurance.
Okay, awesome.
You should call them.
Tires locked. Fuck was that?
That's 11 wins in a row. Pittsburgh wins 4 in a row here.
That's not a passing zone. There's cars oncoming. What the fuck?
In the finals, Pittsburgh wins another 4. So what happens is 2 teams.
We got lookout. We got lookout. We got lookout.
What the fuck? Oh! The fuck? Oh my god.
Credit cards. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go through Financial Peace University, which is a 1-year membership, and you go to 9 lessons in a group in your area, and then
The fuck are you? How's that guy doing? Are you seriously going over the grass to get to the on-ramp? You're not. You're dumb. There he goes. That is the most unbelievable shit I've ever seen. Fuck.
Rain looks like. They're the fat kid you pick last in dodgeball. The class dunce forced to sit in the corner. The cook that can't even boil an egg properly. Even then, this does not come close to describing such a travesty. And in good news, Buffalo old Derek Anderson was...
In that, the comment section always turns horrendous, so let's end on a happy note. In a world where the Sahara was green, this area would certainly be its own cultural region, with ancient empires like China and India. The grasslands would allow for easier trade access and greater connection between Africa and Europe. If this would end in conquest or genuine beneficial contact for both, for for you to decide. The best prediction I can make is that Africa would be
no
included
way.
In the histories of Europe and Asia and cooperation between them. The Sahara was
Holy shit! Wait, what happened up there? Wait, it's red! Holy shit! In this weather, you're doing that shit? Really?
So that's the average. So if it does half that good, it's still 6 times better than your back.
Oh shit! I did not see that.
So if it really sucks it up bad.
What the hell's that? In the middle of an intersection? Are you fucking crazy? Whoa, what are you doing? Wow.
You look like pigs. Please calls, noise complaints from the downstairs tenants. Don't go to your gut.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to be
What the
compensated.
fuck?
Yes, ma'am.
If it's feminine.
Whoa! Wow! Did that just happen?
Find it because there's only certain places it can go. It's not like you can
What the
disappear.
fuck?
Right. It's not gonna be a tough search.
What the fuck is that guy
The
doing?
sheriff says he read the manual. That's better than 90% of the users when I work.
Holy shit!
True. And it's better than
You're gonna hit someone.
Field, large.
Oh man. You got a stop sign. You got a stop sign. You got a stop sign.
For scores, but yep. And this one was just tremendous from start to finish. There were no controversial reviews, right? I mean, there were reviews, but they didn't overturn any close plays.
Wow, that's the dumbest one ever.
Do it.
Hey, Subaru! Come back! Come back! Move up. Yeah, there we go. See what happens when you leave that much room? What? A freaking bus? Oh! Shut up, sluts, shoot mushrooms. What's the fuck you getting such a good butts? Barefoot, not thinking, run the woods. Holy shit, no. gotta be kidding me.
Good. I'm a jerk.
Yeah. Whoa!
Message from Junior. Call this.
Yeah, I'll be home tomorrow. What the hell is this? What a great place to switch drivers. In the middle of a crowded highway. What the hell's that Infinity doing? He's using the shoulder to go around too. What an idiot. You're not going to save that much time. There's a traffic jam. Fucking douchebags! Holy shit! Whoa! Shit! I saw that. That almost was mad.
Tough. Not only were we friends, but he left a huge hole in my company. He was so broken and so ashamed, but still could not stay.
What the hell?
I lived my 20s at 2 years old.
Holy shit!
And we will talk about them in the negative aspects that I have taken away from this meeting. But here's one of the positives, or at least a few of the positives, I should say. Number one, if you drive full-time already...
666. Let's go to Billy in the car. What's up, Billy? Billy, how are you? Billy?
What the...
Yes, Billy.
Oh.
All right, Billy. We'll try Chris and Danbury on the phone. Hey, Chris, what's shaking, Chris?
And now I'm going to add the steaks back in the pan with the sauce, and I'm going to let them simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm shooting for
that came from the right lane, too. What? What? Whoa!
Hey, Dave, how are you?
Better than I deserve. What's up?
Really?
Quick question.
This traffic light sucks.
October,
what the fuck?
Good for you.
Did I just see that? Yeah, I'm almost there. What's going on? Look! They almost crashed! Oh no! What the fuck? Whoa! Holy shit, that was bad.
Position. A left main tire hits an approach light 861 feet from the threshold.
Holy shit. Are you
Every spend goes there. Dollar Shave Club's getting really big, so 10% of your purchase price can go here. And I mean, they just have tons and tons of these. I mean, movement watches. And there's more than this coming.
It's not an overpowering smell, but it's a faint mint smell. You can definitely tell it's there. Now back in the microwave for 30 seconds on high.
Whoa, what? The dual left turn. And he goes straight.